Welcome to Lesson 3.6, Appointment of Receivers and Commissions. In this session, we'll explore the critical roles that receivers and commissioners play in civil litigation, preserving disputed property and aiding the judicial process with clarity and precision. Receivers and commissioners are court-appointed officers entrusted with specific duties during litigation. Their roles ensure fairness, protect assets, and facilitate evidence collection, all while maintaining the integrity of the judicial process. Receivers' legal framework. Receivers are governed by Order 40 of the CPC and Section 94 of D. Appointed to manage disputed property, receivers serve as neutral custodians, ensuring that assets are preserved and protected. Role of receivers. Receivers perform vital functions including 1. Management of property, safeguarding and overseeing property during litigation, such as managing a business in a partnership dispute. 2. Neutral custodianship, acting impartially to hold property for the benefit of all parties. 3. Preventing misuse, ensuring assets are neither wasted nor misappropriated. Powers of receivers. Receivers wield specific powers under Order 40, Rule 1, including 1. Taking possession of property. 2. Collecting income, such as rental payments. 3. Executing contracts essential to maintaining the property. 4. Providing periodic accounts to the court. Restrictions on powers. Receivers cannot sell or transfer property without explicit court approval. Appointment procedure. The process to appoint a receiver involves 1. Filing an application. A party requests the court for a receiver's appointment. 2. Court hearing. The necessity of a receiver is evaluated. 3. Appointment. The court defines the receiver's duties and powers. Landmark case laws. KK Verma v. Union of India, AR 1954 SC 1092, emphasize that receivers act as neutral custodians to protect property during litigation. Narayan Chandra Ghosh v. Umapati Chakraborty, AR 1963 SC 1430, stated that appointing a receiver is a discretionary power, exercised only when justified. Commissioners' legal framework. Commissioners are appointed under Order 26 of the CPC and Sections 75 to 78 to conduct inquiries, inspections, or collect evidence. Role of commissioners. Commissioners facilitate judicial processes by 1. Recording testimony, taking depositions of witnesses unable to attend court. 2. Local investigations, conducting site inspections, such as boundary surveys in land disputes. 3. Valuing property, assessing disputed assets. 4. Preparing reports, submitting detailed findings to the court. Powers of commissioners. Commissioners have the authority to 1. Conduct investigations, including site visits and record reviews. 2. Record witness testimony. 3. Submit comprehensive reports based on their findings. Restrictions on powers. Commissioners cannot decide legal issues. Their role is limited to fact-finding and reporting. Landmark case laws. Padam Sen v. State of Uttar Pradesh, AR 1961 SC 218, held that commissioners cannot gather evidence beyond the court's directive. Rajinder Singh v. Kultar Singh, AR 1980 SC 1958, clarified that commissioners are appointed only when necessary to resolve factual disputes. Comparative summary aspect receivers. Commissioners' purpose: manage and preserve disputed property. Facilitate fact-finding and evidence collection. Legal basis Order 40, CPC Order 26, CPC primary role, neutral custodian of property, investigator or evidence collector. Decision-making power, limited to property management, no decision-making power. Example: collecting rental income from disputed property, conducting a site inspection in a boundary dispute. Practical examples. Example 1, appointment of receiver. In a partnership dispute, a receiver is appointed to oversee the firm's assets, preventing misuse by any partner. Example 2, appointment of commissioner. In a property boundary dispute, a commissioner conducts a site survey and submits a report to assist the court in resolving the issue. Common mistakes to avoid. To ensure effective use of receivers and commissioners, avoid 1. Overlooking justification. Appointments should only be made when necessary. 2. Undefined scope of duties. Courts must clearly outline responsibilities to prevent overreach. 3. Delays in reports. Prompt submission of findings is critical for smooth trial progress. Conclusion. Receivers and commissioners are indispensable tools in civil litigation. By safeguarding assets and facilitating evidence collection, they play an integral role in ensuring justice while protecting the interests of all parties involved. Thank you for joining this lesson. In the next session, we will explore costs and execution of decrees, focusing on their application in civil proceedings. See you there. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable legal insights and updates. youtube.com/prolegalminds. If you have any legal questions or need assistance, visit us at prolegalminds.com to connect with our expert team. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of the law with confidence. Stay informed, stay empowered. See you in the next session.